Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today we are going to make Gobi Manchurian dry. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Boil 4 cups of water in a pan and add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 cups of cauliflower florets. Cook this for 3 minutes. Now turn off the flame and strain the water. Wash the florets in cold water and keep it aside. In a mixing bowl add half a cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, 1½ teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 pinch of food color. Now mix half a cup of water little by little and prepare the batter. The batter should be in this consistency. Now add the florets into the batter and mix well. Ensure that the florets are well coated with the batter. Now heat oil in a pan over high flame and drop the florets one by one. Fry it till it becomes crispy. Now it's ready. Take it out and keep it aside. Do the same process for the remaining florets. Mix 1 teaspoon of corn flour in quarter cup of water and keep it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over high flame and saute 2 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger and 1 finely chopped green chilli. Saute this for some time and add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped spring onion greens and half a cup of cubed capsicum or bell pepper. When the onion turns translucent, add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chilli sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Stir well. Now add the corn flour mixed water. When the gravy thickens, add the fried florets. Mix well. Add some finely chopped spring onion greens and turn off the flame. Garnish with fried green chili and serve it hot. Please do try and post your feedback.